Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for the opportunity to participate in this session. We, civil society, have noted with grave concern that most drug control response in Africa are not in conformity with the International Drug Control Conventions and pose serious challenges in implementation of joint commitment based on the principle of common and shared responsibility. One common response is the criminalization of all drug-related activities, including drug use and possession. The preamble and Article 4C of the 1961 Convention emphasize the importance of narcotic drugs for the relief of pain and suffering, and the need to make them available and accessible for medicinal and scientific purposes. Unfortunately, there are barely adequate policies and infrastructural provisions on the continent to ensure their availability and accessibility for medicinal and scientific purposes due to criminalization response. Article 38 and Resolution 2.1 of the 1961 Convention also urge member states to offer drug treatment, rehabilitation, and social reintegration of problematic drug users and addicts, preferably in a hospital institution for effective outcome. Due to criminalization, most problematic drug users and addicts are sent to prison rather than hospital institution for treatment and rehabilitation. This explains why there are hardly government-owned evidence-based drug treatment and rehabilitation institutions and facilities on the continent. These non-conformist response pose serious challenges in the implementation of joint commitments like the UN Common Position on Drugs, the Sustainable Development Goal 3, the 1990 treatment target for UNAIDS to help end the AIDS epidemic, and the AU Plan of Action on Drug Control. We therefore call on African states to adopt evidence-based drug control response that is in conformity with the letter and spirit of the conventions. Thank you.